Very good evening, students. Welcome to video class. I hope you all are fine. Right. All of you stay home, stay safe, learn well. Okay. So, students, in previous class, we learned sources of food and preparation of food in plants. Right. Students, today in this class also, I am going to teach you more about food. Okay. Dear students, we need food to stay alive, right? Because we all are living things. Okay, food is necessary for all living beings and living things. Okay, so we need food for energy to work and play. Okay, so it gives us energy to work and play. Okay, and it helps the body to grow. Okay, and it repairs the damaged parts of the body. Okay, and it protects from diseases. Okay, and it keeps the body fit and healthy also. So food is any substance that we consume for nourishment, growth and development. Okay, students, next we are going to know about nutrition. Students, as we all know, right, we intake food, right? We intake different kinds of food. Okay, so in that, the process of intake of food and that food is utilized by our body is known as nutrition. Okay, so the process of intake of food and its utilization by our body is known as nutrition. Okay, students, next we are going to know about nutrients. Okay, so these nutrients are useful substances. Okay, so these useful substances, okay, that our body needs in order to grow and to stay healthy. Okay, so we get these nutrients through the food we eat. Okay, so there are certain substances in food that are essential for growth and development of our body. And there are five main types of nutrients. First one is carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals. Okay, these are five main nutrients. Students, next we are going to know about staple food. Okay, students, we know India is a diverse country, right? Okay, so here is a lot of variety in the food that people eat in different parts of our country. Okay, so for example, in north parts of India, people usually eat more chapatis. However, for people in South India and eastern parts of India, rice is the first preference. The food that is consumed most often by the particular region is called the staple food. Okay, so in North India, wheat is the staple food of the people living there. Okay, so it is used to make chapatis, paratas, and puri. Okay, in South India, rice is the staple food of the people living there. And this rice is used to make dishes such as idli, dosa, lemon rice, curd rice. Okay, and the people living in coastal areas are fond of seafoods such as fish, prawn, and all. Okay, so there is a so much variety in the food that people eat across the country. Students, next we are going to know about ingredients. Student, some foods are made of just one or two substances, right? Okay. So, for example, rice. Okay, for preparation of rice, we need water, rice, and salt. Only few substances. Okay. So, while others are made of many substances. Okay. Some foods, okay, some other foods are made of many substances. Okay, so substances or components used to make a food item are called ingredients. Students, next we are going to know about edible parts. Students, as we all know, right, plants are the major source of food for animals, including human beings also. Okay, so plants make their own food because plants are called producers, right? And plants can prepare their food using carbon dioxide, water, and sunlight. So that we discussed in previous class, right? Okay, so they use only a small quantity of food for performing their activities. Okay, so the rest of the food gets stored in different parts of the plants. Okay, these parts are eaten by us. Okay, so the parts of a plant that are safe to eat are called as edible parts. Okay, so the edible parts of plants may includes leaves, roots, stems, seeds, and fruits. Okay, students, next we are going to know about food habits of animals. Okay, as we know, right, animals also a source of food. Okay, so we get food from animals directly or indirectly. So humans are depend on both plants and animals to meet their food requirements. Okay, so we all know that animals cannot prepare their own food. Plants only make their own food. Okay, what do the animals eat? And then, like humans, they are also depend upon plants either directly or indirectly. Okay, so different animals have different eating habits. Based on the food habits, animals are divided into several categories. Okay, students, here first category of animals is based on food habits, herbivores. Okay, so animals which eat plants only are called herbivores. Okay, so some animals such as cows, okay, horses, elephants, etc. eat only plants. Such animals are called herbivores. Okay, so these herbivores are also called as a grass eating animals. And next group of animals are carnivores. Carnivores are animals which eat only flesh of other animals. Okay, some animals such as lions, tigers, eagles, vultures are carnivores. Okay, and next group of animals are omnivores. Okay, omnivores are animals which eat both plants as well as other animals are called omnivores. Okay, example humans, bears, crows, etc. So students, in this class we learnt about food and nutrition and food habits of animals, right? If you have any doubt, ask in online session. All of you should follow given worksheet. Thank you, students.